Hey folks, I have a really cool tenor to show you today. This is number 843. This is Tom's curly Orford Cedar and curly Walnut tenor ukulele. And it's really cool. It feels really nice to play. The back and sides are some beautiful curly walnut with some grafted sections on the sides. This is from a tree that I milled. And curly Orford Cedar top. It's got some cool dark beauty marks in it, but it just shimmers. It's just so cool. And then I made a matching neck with curly Orford Cedar and Walnut. And then Walnut up here too. Walnut binding all around. And so this customer also wanted the a wider fretboard, 1.5" wide nut, which is fine by me, and also a K&K pickup. It feels really solid and secure, but it's very light. It's a really cool uke. I'm really proud of it. Yeah, Orford Cedar is just always a winner. Yeah, so all the walnut on this I milled from trees myself, and the Orford Cedar comes from my neighbor, who was a flute maker. And after he retired, I helped him clean out his shop, and I got a bunch of really nice Orford Cedar. It's from down on the southwest Oregon coast. So yeah, that's 843, ready to go. Cheers.